channel Galaxy of English and Games. In this video, we will see an emotional English story for listening practice. I raised my baby alone. I was only 19 years old when my life changed forever. I was young, scared, and alone. I had no job, no money, and no one to depend on. But inside me, a little life was growing, a tiny heartbeat that gave me the strength to fight. When I told my boyfriend I was pregnant, he walked away. He said, I can't do this. And just like that, I was left alone with my unborn baby. My parents were angry and ashamed. They stopped talking to me. I cried every night, wondering what I would do. But then I felt a little kick inside me. My baby was saying, don't give up, mom. I'm here. I worked small jobs, cleaning houses, washing dishes, anything to earn a little money. People looked at me with pity, some even laughed, but I didn't care. I had a goal to bring my baby into this world safely. 9 months passed. The day my baby was born, I held her close and cried. She was the most beautiful thing I had ever seen. Her tiny fingers, her innocent eyes, her soft cries, they gave me new hope. I named her Hope because that's what she gave me. Life wasn't easy. I couldn't sleep much. I couldn't buy her new clothes. And sometimes I didn't even eat so she could. But every time she smiled at me, I knew it was all worth it. Years passed. I went back to school. I studied while she slept. I worked while she played nearby. Slowly, we built a life. Now, my little girl is 10 years old. She is smart, kind, and full of dreams. She often hugs me and says, you are the best mom in the world. And every time I hear that, I remember those dark days, but I also remember how far we have come. I raised my baby alone, but today I am not alone. I have her, and that's more than enough. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this story, then like my video, share and subscribe my channel Galaxy of English and Games. Thank you. Bye bye.